Welcome back, students. In today's class, we would be studying what would happen if you were to evaluate this expression. Now, if we were to follow the BODMAS rule, which says first evaluate all quantities within the bracket and then follow the order of operation as division, multiplication together. So the hierarchy of division and multiplication are the same. And then we got the addition and subtraction. So having made this clear, the BODMAS rule, if I were to add 1 with 2, then I would get 9 divided by 3 of 3. Now, this is where the problem starts. There might be people who would multiply 3 with 3 and then rewrite it as 9 divided by 9 and give us the answer 1. Now, this is one case. Now, there is the other case where this expression 9 divided by 3 of 3, the parenthesis would be substituted with the multiplication operator. And what they would do is they would say, since the evaluation is from left to right, I've got the first symbol to be as the division symbol. So what they would do is they would rewrite this expression as 9 divided by 3 and that is multiplied by 3. So this would be 3 times 3 because 3 can divide 9 as into 3 times, giving us 9 to be the solution. Now the question is, which of these is right? Now, if I were to consider, say, x is divided by, say, 3 times y, the understanding for this is x is divided by 3y. Now, if I were to take the value of y to be as 3 and the value of x to be as 9, then I would have 9 over 3 of 3, which would give me 1. Now, this is exactly what is occurring here, right? A lot of people would contend saying that the solution for this question should follow the way of case 2, thereby giving us 9 to be the answer. But if we were to apply this convention, that if you were to symbolically represent x divided by 3y as x over 3y, taking the value of y to be as 3 and x to be as 9, then the solution is 1. No matter what the interpretation that we give, either of these cases can always be argued to be as the right answer. So where do we stand? Which of these is considered to be the right answer? Well, in all honesty, as it is said, there is an element of ambiguity in this very expression. Now, whenever ambiguity exists, it is up to the learned mind, as Aristotle said, to make the judgment as to which of these would contribute towards the acceptable level of the solution. So having made that statement, I cannot conclude that case 2 predominates case 1 or case 1 predominates case 2. And I would rely on Aristotle's discretion statement that it is to the educated mind to accept which of these two cases would contribute towards the solution.